My name is Professor Prime of MyDreamPlanet.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Studio Series Bumblebee movie Ratchet. Wasn't too sure about picking him up, but I saw him and I said, why not? I think the color would be good. In the sea of yellow, I mean, you bee. The box here is your standard Studio Series figure box from before. No ugly open windows. He comes with his gun. It's not really painted, but it's fine enough for what it is. He'll hold it just fine. As with all Studio Series figures, it comes with the backdrop, which I never use and goes right to the trash. Let me know if you guys display yours. I really wonder if people use these things. He has all the articulation you would expect. Head can move about, arms can bend, legs, waist, knees, all that fun stuff. The foot is the weakest part of this figure. They snapped off when I was trying to pose it. Luckily, it just snapped in the groove on the port, but it's still loose. In fact, a lot of this figure is loose, and that's sad. Here he is with the Studio Series Soundwave from Bumblebee. Here he is with Optimus Prime from the same series. Here he is with a model of Kamen Rider 01. Alright, let's get this guy transformed. So the transformation is simple but a little bit annoying. The pegs in the arms, if they're not lined up correctly, simply will not go in, and the arms have a tendency to not snap into place. He'll roll just fine, as all rolling things should be rolling. Here's Ratchet with the Studio Series Bumblebee from Revenge of the Fallen. Optimus Prime in his invasion mode from Age of Extinction. Overall, I think Ratchet is fine, given he has like maybe 6 seconds of screen time and like maybe 2 lines in the whole film. The robot mode does look good. It works for a standard Deluxe class figure. Joints are loose, but it could just be my copy. Transformation was fun, but was kind of a bitch to film. The details is great. The idea of the car mode is actually quite nice. It makes sense for his Cybertronian mode. He's actually really posable, and he can pull off some really dramatic poses. If you can find him for the MSRP and you want him for your Bumblebee collection or display, I say pick him up. Otherwise, I'd skip him. Don't overpay for it. For some reason, Ironhide and Ratchet seem to be the two bots, no matter what line, are never in stock, always overpriced. A solid 3 out of 5. Hope you guys enjoyed today's review. Let me know in the comments down below. As always, until next time.
Wake at the back of the pack, give it
seconds of